appears to be a chainsaw. Roll plays on the scene. Searcher Joel, a male in a black hooded sweatshirt. The suspect is reported to be unstable and extremely dangerous.
Heard by officials are highly advising that stay inside your homes and off the streets until this matter has been resolved.
PCP! Meth, mad, antidepressant pills. Everything spills into one pot. On top of that, I smoke rock. I hear that shit, but I won't stop. Last time on the spot, choked a cop. Stopped and had a Faygo soda pop. In the back of my truck, chucked the chainsaw. Usually chop wood, but that ain't all. It's a bit strange, all up in your mid-range. Cut a hole in your head till I hit brains. Left a cop in a pile, wild maybe. It's the night of the chainsaw, baby. Cut him up, Chuck, somebody. Cut him up, Chuck, get bloody. Cut him up, Chuck, go nutty. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up.
You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me.
Petroleum, inhale it and take the swig. Eat my brains up, make my wig. Killing time with no shirt on me. I love it when the blood squirt on me. Walked up to a house, jabbed the door and kicked it in. My victim hid. Stuck Chuck in the closet, and I could tell by the deposit. I got my target. French poodle, stomp it, limp noodle. Rev Chuck up and stir the strudel. Guts on the lawn, fuck's going on? Chainsaw Chuck till the break of dawn. Cut him up, Chuck, somebody. Cut him up, Chuck, get bloody. Cut him up, Chuck, go nutty. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up, Chuck, go. Cut him up.
You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me down. You can't calm me.
Bloody feet, no shoes, into a party. I wasn't invited, but that bitch ignited. I screamed and laughed, chopping fools in half. I stab and hack, I'm mad